National 100 meters record holder Elaine Thompson Herah has confirmed her departure from the Stephen Francis-led MVP track and field club. This while revealing in a statement yesterday that she has started pre-season training independently and will continue to train on her own while she finalizes all aspects of her setup for the upcoming season. Thompson Herah, while denying that she had parted company with the MVP track club and Stephen Francis last month, referred to the development as rumors when she appeared as a guest on the NBC Sports podcast Brother from Another, hosted by Michael Smith and Michael Hawley.
You know what the news media is like. I'm the fastest one alive, so they're going to create some form of news to try to distract the world, So it's rumors, of course, rumors, because I've seen articles in the media that I've died before, more than once, so it's always rumors in the media. They always target me, I don't know why.
Tokyo triple Olympic gold medalist Elaine Thompson Herah is now training at the Michael University field. The 29-year-old fastest woman alive was spotted going through her paces early this morning, hours after issuing a statement that she has started pre-season training independently and will continue to train on her own while she finalizes all aspects of her setup for the upcoming season. The statement confirms her departure from MVP and Stephen Francis, the club where her glamorous career was born. It is still not clear, however, where the Olympic 200 meters record holder will be training, but she was at the Michael University field this morning along with her husband Darren Herah and former World Championships finalist Bert Cameron.